Hello, my name's Gino. Welcome to another video of spares and repairs, and today we have a Volvo S90 in for an oil change. So let's crack on and get started. Come on. These are the parts I'll be using today. Now, underneath the vehicle there was an engine under tray here, which I've done and I've moved it over there. It was held on by T30 bolts. Now I'm going to drain the oil with this sump bolt here. Actually, as I've loosened it already, I've cracked it off. I'm just about to drain it. The oil filter cup is here, and I'm going to loosen that off and take the oil filter off soon. Now just tightening up the sump plug to spec. As you can see there, new washer has been put on as well on the sump plug. Now just to clean everywhere and take my cup off the oil filter. And that's the end of the video. Oil levels topped up to the correct level. Coolant's okay, and same as the screen wash, which is over there. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you have a cracking rest of your week, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.